Have you seen those ads for the Halsten Stride, a menopause-specific therapeutic device that promises to fix hip pain, restore collagen, and help you move like you used to? The marketing sounds pretty convincing. They say it uses triple wavelength red light therapy to heal tendons, reduce inflammation, and even rebuild collagen that your body stopped producing after menopause. The website is filled with emotional testimonials from women saying they got their life back, started sleeping peacefully again, and avoided surgery after using this small red light device. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. First, there's no scientific evidence to back up the kind of claims Halsten Stride makes. While red light therapy can have some minor benefits for skin and muscle recovery, there's absolutely no credible study proving it can restore collagen production without estrogen or reverse tendon damage. Terms like triple wavelength system and 150% ATP boost sound scientific, but they're more pseudoscience than proven fact. Then there are the unrealistic medical promises. The site guarantees that this device can end hip pain for good, prevent surgery, and heal tendons permanently. Those are massive claims, and no legitimate medical product can make guarantees like that, especially without FDA approval or clinical testing. Another concern is lack of transparency. The website doesn't list any physical address, phone number, or verified contact information. That's unusual for a company selling something marketed as a medical device. There's also no proof of independent clinical trials, no published results, and no certifications or endorsements from any recognized medical authority. Their marketing approach also raises eyebrows. It relies heavily on emotional manipulation, using fear and guilt around menopause and aging to push the product. Phrases like "doctors dismissed your pain" or "you deserve your life back" are designed to create emotional urgency rather than present scientific facts. What's even more suspicious is that similar-looking red light devices are being sold on Alibaba for around $4 or $5, while the Halsten Stride costs nearly $180. That suggests it might just be a drop-shipping product with a huge markup, repackaged and sold under a fancy name with exaggerated claims. The site also uses false urgency tactics, saying things like "limited pricing ends in 24 hours" or "not available on Amazon or eBay," which are common psychological tricks to make you buy fast before you think twice. And surprisingly, there are no legal pages, no privacy policy, no terms of service, and no refund policy clearly visible. For a company claiming to be medical grade and customer-focused, that's a big red flag. Finally, there are no doctor endorsements or credible testimonials outside their own website. Everything from the photos to the reviews could easily be fabricated. Real medical devices usually have some backing from healthcare professionals or published clinical data, and Halsten Stride has neither. So is Halsten Stride legit or a scam? While it's possible that red light therapy might provide temporary relief for some people, the way this product is marketed, with exaggerated health promises, emotional pressure, and zero transparency, makes it very questionable. If you're considering buying something like this, it's always best to consult your doctor first, or look for FDA-cleared physical therapy tools that have verified studies behind them. Don't fall for miracle cures that promise to fix years of pain overnight. Stay cautious, stay informed, and always research before spending your money online.